www.gibsontruckworld.com 2004 Chevy 3500 LS Crew Cab Dually Duramax Diesel with 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. CD player, tilt steering, cruise control, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Gibson Truck World prides itself on the extraordinary lengths every member of its staff devotes toward making your used truck look and feel like new. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States. 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king.